5 really basic Chinese sentence structures to build your Mandarin Chinese language skills. 1. Subject plus verb plus object. 2. Subject plus verb plus object plus
吗
3. Subject plus time plus verb plus object. 4. Subject plus time plus psi plus location plus verb plus object. 5. Subject plus time plus psi plus location plus verb plus object plus duration plus object. 1. Subject plus verb plus object.
你吃肉
You eat meat.
你吃
You eat.
妈妈工作
Mom works.
她学习拉丁语
She studies Latin.
小男孩读漫画书
The little boy reads comic books. 2. Subject plus verb plus object plus
吗
is a particle that turns statements into yes/no questions. So when
吗
is placed on the end of an SVO statement, it turns the sentence into a do or does question.
你吃吗
Do you eat?
你吃肉吗
Do you eat meat?
妈妈工作吗
Does mom work?
他们教书吗
Do they teach?
小男孩读漫画书吗
Does the little boy read comic books? 3. Subject plus time plus verb plus object. If you want to add a time when an action occurs, you need to place that information in between the subject and the verb. Without an object,
你周一吃
you eat on Monday. With an object,
你周一吃肉
you eat meat on Monday. Other examples:
妈妈星期六工作
Mom works on Saturday.
她早上学习拉丁语
She studies Latin in the morning.
小男孩晚上看漫画书
The little boy reads comic books at night. 4. Subject plus time plus psi plus location plus verb plus object
在
has several meanings, but in Chinese SVO sentences, it is translated as at to indicate the location
在
plus location. Without an object,
你周一在餐厅吃
you eat at the restaurant on Monday. With an object,
你周一在餐厅吃肉
you eat meat at the restaurant on Monday.
妈妈星期六在沙龙工作
Mom works at the salon on Saturday.
他们每年在大学教书
They teach at the university every year. Note, there are some verbs where the location would be placed after them instead of before. These are
住 to live 走 to walk 坐 to sit
These sentences normally don't include an object, so the pattern here would be subject plus time plus verb plus location.
我们住在上海
We live in Shanghai.
他们今天下午走到了路的尽头
They walked to the end of the road this afternoon.
我的猫在晚餐时间坐在椅子上
My cat sits on the chair at dinner time. 5. Subject plus time plus psi plus location plus verb plus object plus duration plus object. Duration refers to a more specific length of time when the action occurs. Without an object,
你周一在餐厅吃3个小时
you eat at the restaurant on Monday for 3 hours.
你周一在餐厅吃3个小时肉
You eat meat at the restaurant on Monday for 3 hours. Other examples:
妈妈星期六在沙龙工作半天
Mom works at the salon on Saturday for half the day.
他们每年在大学任教几个月
They teach at the university every year for several months.
她早上在图书馆学习拉丁语1个小时
She studies Latin in the morning at the library for 1 hour.
小男孩晚上在床上读30分钟漫画书
The little boy reads comic books at night in bed for 30 minutes.